sugar boo, I'm levitating, the Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you.
Come on, everybody, let's hear it for the top 10 Billie Jean song. It's gonna be a rock. 22.
We can go wherever, so let's go whenever, baby. Nothing's ever too far. Glitter in the sky.
And I'm 22 years old. I'm from and a student of B.Ed first semester studying in the District Institute of Education and Training. I'm very fond of singing and photography. To me, life is not a struggle, but it is an opportunity to prove my strength. So here I am to be a better version of myself. Thank you so much and enjoy the evening.
Bang bang kietu, kapen pinangwil adal ka sa tong aradat dumdoan at han, nalituot han nilihin pen, arni kang sama kardom ng pechuriko kardom. Nilimen sa miruktalon bibi, niliarta ningkan praser gem. Nilirong tigilang chun, dongmuka karbiang long. Niligi Charlie ang day, dinisi fall semester, hamnong college law. Lumkilun na penir ki na penilikaya long kima niliinut kinesen air hostess kiman siya pansi nilining kiham. Laan pensi nilichkwal niya lang ke ingkong konikoko. Pardon.
Pardon? Good evening everyone, especially to our respective judges and to one and all present here in Taralangso. Opportunity to introduce myself. I am contestant number 6. My name is Rita Rampi. I am 19 years young. I am from Sagang, West Carbianlong, pursuing my degree in Difugo College in the standard of BDC first semester. Talking about my aim in life, I want to become a professor and my hobbies are singing, dancing and drawing. So that's all by myself. Have a beautiful evening everyone. Thank you.
It's a good evening. A very warm good evening to one and all present here.
each and every one of you present here. First of all, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to be standing here in this huge platform and introducing myself. Starting with myself, first comes this beautiful land where I was born in, which is Dibukar Bianglong here itself. My name is Charni Krupi. I'm 19 years old and I'm currently pursuing my education in the Bachelor of Arts in Difu Government College. I nominated myself as a candidate for Miss Kyf 2022 because, according to me, I believe that in life one can always make a bigger and a stronger comeback. Even after a failure, the spirit of never giving up should always be with us. All you need is to trust in yourself because trust is the biggest favor you could do to yourself. Remember, you're unique, you're important. Be unapologetically you because there is going to be no one like you ever again. Thank you.
My hobbies is dancing, includes ballet dancing. I'm a person who is fond of following fashion. Thank you. Kardom. Hello and a very warm good evening to honorable juries and to all the lovely audience who are present here tonight. I am contestant number 10. My name is Anushka Tirampi from